Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page, watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. And before that, you can use this video for nzdusd as well if you want to trade nzdusd, as I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So use this same analysis of AUDUSD. So in a weekly, this is now Tuesday. We are trying to go up. So this looks like a double bottom in the weekly, because this low was not broken by this red candle. So price should bounce back this week. So let's come back to daily chart. This is your new low, rather downtrend, pullback, new low. And now we should go and take a pullback. So even if this is a downtrend, we have to wait for the pullback before entry. So coming back to 4 hour, that's your entry. This is your downtrend. The rejection will happen until the EMA. So I'll give you 2 situations right here. If the price rejects the EMA with the wick, so rejection comes from the EMA and then red engulfing candle, then you go short. Okay. If not, if the price closes above this candle, if the blue candles break this high, previous high, and closes above the EMA, then we will turn bullish. Okay. So right now we are in the waiting period. I don't think we have any trades as of now until this EMA is breached or rejected. Okay. If the rejection comes, then red candle, then we go down. Otherwise, if this high is broken by the coming blue candle and the price closes above the EMA, then we will look for longs. Okay. So that's it for free. And I think I am also going to launch my manual trading course in next maybe couple of days. Okay, not couple of days, sorry, couple of weeks. Okay, it might take 10-12 days. I'm going on holiday as well, so I think I will be launching my manual trading course, swing trading course. Sorry, not just trading, swing trading. Okay, we'll talk about this in the coming videos, but that's it for now. So subscribe, like, and do all of that we discussed in the beginning, and join my free Telegram for sure. It's mandatory to join free Telegram. I'll see you there. So till then, take care.